everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix Windows 11 network connection problem. Now just click on Start button and go to Settings. In left side, click on Network and Internet option and click Advanced Network. In here, click on Network Restart option and restart your network. Second method is click on Search button and type Control Panel. Now click on Network and Internet option. Click on Network and Sharing. Now again, change your adapter settings. Click on your internet and right click on Properties. Now check in the fourth option, Internet Protocol version 4, and double click on it. And check in the second one, use the following DNS server address and type 8.8.8.8.8.4.4 and give OK. Now third method is click on Search button and type Device Manager. Here you can able to see Device Manager in search result and click on that. Now click on Network Adapters and go to Properties. In Driver, click Uninstall Devices and give OK. Now again click on Start button and restart your PC. Hope all your internet connection problem will be solved. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye. Take care.